Okay, I've gotten busy and made a new gate. I don't know if you recall the other gate. Um, we had too big of a gap between the two gates, and one of the reasons why. Well, first of all, we made the gate too short. I made the gate too short, and then this compounded issue. When you see that H post there, that's pulled crazy that way, and then look at the brace wire. There's no tension in it at all. And the reason why, listen to this. I think I pulled it too tight. I got to look at not doing that when I work on my next fence or gate. That baby wants to open by itself. But no, just wanted to show you the final product. And let me remind you what I did. This rail here, it ordinarily it's over here, that's plumb right here, but because of this huge gap right here, I opted to make the adjustments over here, and I moved that rail that way so that it would look plumb. If you didn't know any better, had I not shared this with you, you wouldn't notice. Well, some of you, most of you hopefully would not notice it, but those who make gates on a regular basis will be able to see that in no time at all. What I was hoping to do as well is that I was hoping to maintain the gap between the end of that, the bottom of that gate and the ground and here, and I minimized that to a degree, but primarily it's in pretty good shape. So yesterday we finished making this gate and putting it up. It's not bad at all. I think I have I reused the hardware, the hinges on the sides, but I think I have invested in this about $20. I used rough cut lumber and some lumber that we had in the past. There's some stuff from another project, but this is rough cut lumber, 1x10s, and then what I've done, I split that in the middle, get my 1x5s, 1x6s, and then there we go. So that's my update on my gate. And what we're getting ready to do now, this is about 2 acres, maybe a less. I would be pushing it if I said 3 acres, but at least 2 acres. We're getting ready to move our horses in here. We wanted to graze this for a little bit. We cut this over here because there's no way in the world that they're going to be able to keep up with this. So, but back over there, we hope that they'll graze that. Not only are we hoping that they graze it, we hope they get into become accustomed to when they see us. Perhaps it's time to move to a new field, a new pasture. So I think it's it. This one here is just to update the fence and my gate here, and how we changed and made the adjustments to make it work. And ultimately, as a result of that, we'll get our horses and our sheep rotated over into this area. Okay, just on the McKenzie Homestead.